Hello everyone, good afternoon and I welcome you all to SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning. I'm Aishwarya G, a full-stack .NET developer and Python developer with over 12 plus years of professional experience in building scalable, secure, and high-performance applications. My journey spans enterprise-level application development, API engineering, automation, cloud integration, and modern software architecture. I specialize in .NET Core, C#, ASP.NET MVC, Microservices, SQL Server, REST APIs, along with strong expertise in Python, covering Flask, Django, automation scripting, and backend development workflows. Throughout my career, I've worked across all phases of the SDLC, right from requirement gathering and architecture design to development, testing, deployment, and optimization. I enjoy solving real-world business problems through clean, maintainable code and modern development practices. In SphereSkill Technologies, I am your trainer, and I will be guiding you throughout your learning journey in both full-stack .NET development, Python development. I will post the complete course content in SphereSkill website. You guys can have a look out at it at sphereskill.tech. My goal is to help you become a job-ready, industry-level developer with practical skills, hands-on projects, and real-time exposure. Connect with me at SphereSkill in my Mylid Aishwarya at sphereskill.tech. To stay updated with my training sessions, lectures, tutorials, and upcoming courses, you can follow me on our official learning platforms. Do visit our website, sphereskill.tech. I encourage all students to stay connected. To stay updated with my training sessions, lectures, tutorials, and upcoming courses, you can follow me on our official learning platforms. Do visit our website, sphereskill.tech. I encourage all students to stay connected through these platforms so you never miss new lessons, important announcements, or learning opportunities. Together, let's build your skills and shape your career toward becoming a confident, industry-ready full-stack developer. So, what you will learn in these two courses? Let us have a glimpse of it. Full-stack .NET development. Module 1 Programming Fundamentals with C#. Introduction to .NET Ecosystem. C# syntax, variables, data types. OOP concepts, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, interfaces. Exception handling. Collections and generics. File handling and I/O operations. Module 2 .NET Core and ASP.NET Core. Understanding .NET Core architecture. Creating web applications using ASP.NET Core. MVC pattern. Razor pages. Controllers, routing and middleware. Dependency injection. Entity Framework Core, EF Core. LANQ, Async Programming. Module 3 API Development. REST API Fundamentals. Building web APIs using ASP.NET Core. JSON Serialization, DTOs, Automapper. API Versioning. Token-Based Authentication, JWT. Role-Based Access Control. Creating Secured Endpoints. Module 4 Front-End Development. Angular. Components, Modules, Directives. Services and Dependency Injection. Routing and Navigation. Forms and Validation. API Integration. Option B React. JSX, Components, Props and State. Hooks Use State, Use Effect, Custom Hooks. React Routing. API integration using Axios/Fetch. Redux, optional. Module 5, Database and Data Access. SQL Fundamentals. Stored Procedures, Triggers, Functions. SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL. EF Core and Repository Pattern. Module 6, Software Architecture. N-tier Architecture. Microservices Basics. Clean Architecture. Solid Principles. design patterns, factory, singleton, observer, etc. Module 7, Deployment and DevOps Basics. Hosting ASP.NET Core Apps. IIS, Docker, Azure Deployment. CI/CD Fundamentals. Module 8 Capstone Project. End-to-end full-stack application. API with frontend and database. Deployment with documentation, which cover end-to-end full-stack development of .NET development. I do provide training on Python development, and the course content includes Python development. Module 1 Python Fundamentals. Python syntax, variables, data types. Conditional statements and loops. Functions, modules, and packages. File handling. Error handling. Working with virtual environments. Module 2, OOP in Python. Classes and objects. Inheritance, polymorphism. Encapsulation and abstraction. Magic methods. Module 3 Python for backend development. Choose one or both frameworks. Flask. Routing, templates, Jinja 2. Sessions and authentication. API building with Flask. Django. MVC, MVT, architecture. Models, views, and templates. Django ORM. Admin customization. Authentication, authorization. Django REST Framework, DRF. Module 4 Database Integration. SQL with Python. SQLite, MySQL, PostgreSQL. CRUD operations. ORM usage, SQL Alchemy, and Django ORM. Module 5 APIs and Microservices. Creating REST APIs. JSON processing. Token authentication. Integration with .NET, Java, mobile apps. Module 6 Automation and Scripting. File automation. System administration scripts. Data extraction. Scheduling and cron jobs. Module 7 Deployment. Hosting Flask/Django apps. Docker containers. Deployment on AWS, Azure, Python Anywhere. Module 8 Final Python project. Build a fully functional backend system. Deploy it with documentation. Do register and follow my course to become expertise in .NET technology and Python developer. Thanks for watching. Hope this is informative. Do like and subscribe and share with your friends who are looking for development courses. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you in my next video. Until then, it's Aishwarya signing off for this session.